is the strength within me. My body is strong and healthy. Life force flows effortlessly through me. I am attracting what I desire. The energy I put out is the energy I receive back. I act in alignment with my core values. I am aligned in body, mind, and soul. My mind is clear, calm, and steady. I choose thoughts I entertain and which thoughts I release. I am harnessing my full potential. My power is growing daily. I see challenges as opportunities for personal growth. There is nothing I cannot overcome. I am awakening to my highest self. The wisdom and wonder of the universe is inside of me. I am supported by the divine energy all around me. I can harness this energy whenever I call